afternoon, everyone. It's 2:05, so I think we should start. Mr. Hitendra is already there with us, so I welcome him again. He is conducting another session on productive life 360 degree. I believe I'm audible to everyone. And this is one of the very interesting session, which I feel it's very, very important for all of us because we all are very busy these days in multiple activities. There are so many challenges we have, and sometimes, being so active also, we miss on certain things. We miss on time, which is 20 we have. So I think I'm so sorry, guys. I got disconnected in between. So Mr. Hitendra is there, as I mentioned that. So he's conducting this particular session, which I believe is going to be very, very productive for us. And the topic itself is productive life 360 degree. And just being busy is not important. I have a very unstable connection today. So before again I get disconnected, I hand over it to Hitendra, and I request him to start the session. Hitendra, if you want me to switch off the screen, I'll do that if you're sharing something from your end.
Yes, yeah. Good afternoon, Swati. Please give me this sharing
Sure, sure.
so that I can share my screen.
Definitely. I'm just stopping my share. Please go ahead.
Fine. Thanks for sharing. Good
You're
afternoon, everyone.
welcome. So all are on mute.
Okay, yeah. All are on mute. Right. Fine. No problem. Chalo. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our new session. On productivity.
Good afternoon, Hitendra ji.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing? Yeah, fine. So let's start today's session. Today's sessions is very, very, very important and very, very interesting. Please listen this today's session very carefully and with full concentration. Right. So I will just give you a few instructions for today's webinar. What we have to do, we have to follow certain instructions today. That is, first, please mute your mic. Second, you can ask questions at the end of the webinar. Please make note of questions asked during this webinar by the speaker. End of 15 minutes, you will be given to all to share their views or feedbacks on this webinar. Listen with full concentration to the speaker. Make sure there is no disturbance around you. And this webinar contains explanation with dialogues and real work life examples. A very different experience for all. Today, this webinar will be very much different from other webinars. So today's webinar is based on the real life situations, right? What we are actually facing nowadays, the scenarios, right? The today's scenarios. So we will be comparing it, today's scenario, right? Then what is productivity and what is non-productivity. So I will just first explain you that who are productive people. Then how are they fundamentally different from non-productive people? in their overall approach to work, to other human beings, to society as a whole. Now discover what this means for your career. So this is going to be a very interesting discussions today. So what is the difference between a productive person and a non-productive person? First, let us understand this. So what the productive people do? Productive people work not only for themselves, they work for their families, they work for their organizations, they work for their society. And the non-productive people, what they do, they only work for themselves and they are not bothered about others, right? If anybody is getting disturbed out of their work, so they are happy, they still continue their work in, and they give, you know, a pain to a different to all the peoples around them. So what is productivity and what is non-productivity? Today I will explain you in the form of dialogues, the real life situations, the real life scenarios. So the first example is of a productive teacher, right? Like, you know, in the school how teacher teaches, right? So there are around 60 students in a class. So teacher, a productive teacher, what she does, she focuses on each and every student. Now for example, Jyoti, do you feel confident to do the sums? Now she is very much concerned about each and every student, that each and every student should understand the maths formula, they should able to solve the problems. So this is what the productive teacher does. The productive teacher is concerned about bringing out the best in each student. Such a teacher cares about the future of every student and whether they have built confidence in the subject. So she is very much concerned about the students. She is doing her job. But what she is doing, she is not only doing her job, but she is contributing her efforts also in the benefit of others. तो उसके काम से सिर्फ उसको ही नहीं बल्कि दूसरों को भी फायदा हो रहा है. That is a productive kind of work. This is the productive kind of people. They only don't think about themselves or their benefits, they think about the others benefit also. Then at the same time, if we compare a non-productive teacher, what a non-productive teacher does. Non-productive teachers comes in the class, what she is doing, she is only concerned to finish the syllabus. उसको बस एक ही चीज है कि मैं मेरा काम खत्म करके चला जाऊं, और जो बच्चे लोग हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं आया, शी इज नॉट बॉदर्ड, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, आता है अपना ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, ये सम है, ये फॉर्मूला है, ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, ये ज्योमेट्री है, ये अलजेब्रा है, ये फॉर्मूला है, वो फॉर्मूला है, ये सब पाइथागोरम थ्योरम है. उसने धनाधन सब कुछ बता दिया, लेकिन कोई बच्चा समझा नहीं समझा, शी डजंट केयर. So the non-productive teacher is unconcerned whether the students are paying attention or have understood what is being taught. Such teachers run through the syllabus but are disengaged from their students. Result, students find this class is very boring. So what happens when you understand the things, then it is easy for you to implement, right? If you don't understand anything, so it is very difficult for us to implement it. So productive teacher, what she does, she makes everybody understand so that they can implement it in the real life situation. They can solve the problems and get the good result in their exams. The non-productive teacher only does her job. She is only concerned about her job. She is only concerned about her salary. कि मेरे को मेरा काम करना है और सैलरी लेना है. फिर बाद में जो दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स थे उनको समझ में आया नहीं आया, शी इज नॉट बॉदर्ड whether they have understood or not understood. So the results are very poor. So the productive teacher will give always a better results, and the non-productive teachers will always give the lowest results. Then the next example I will give you about the productive government official. What government official thinks and says, don't worry sir, when your payments are released, I will send it to you. Now this government officer shows the concern to the person who has visited him. The productive government official ensures that a common citizen is able to get his work done, he goes all out to find a solution for the person and does everything within his power to accomplish it. So the government official is not only concerned about his own work, but he's concerned about other common citizens also, so that their work is done, their time is saved. Whereas on the other side, the non-productive government official says what he thinks: I am very busy now, please check after 2 weeks time. Now what he is showing, he's showing that he has a very busy schedule, he cannot do the things right now. So now he is making the common citizen to come again and again and again. Now he is wasting his time as well as the common person time also. So he's not bothered about the other person's pain. The non-productive government official is indifferent. He is showing his indifferent attitude. He is not bothered. He is showing, see, I don't care about you, I only care about myself, and does not bother to find a solution to the common citizens' problems. Such officials may do their duty and follow rules, but they make a common citizen run from pillar to post. They don't care whether the work gets delayed and the people find the interaction painful. They are not at all bothered about the other person. They are only worried about their own comfort. Yes, they look only about their comfort in their work. They are not bothered about the other person's problems. Then the next example is the productive sweeper. Now, what productive sweeper thinks: only if the area is kept clean, the people will be able to lead a disease-free life. This is what a productive person thinks. They think always in the positive frame of mind, and they take their own responsibility of their work. They are responsible for their work. They have got that sense of responsibility. But this work has been assigned to me. The cleaning job is been assigned to me. So I have to do the cleaning work, and I see that the area which I am sweeping should be clean, neat, and the people staying in this area are disease free. So these are the productive people. They think in a very different way. They think in a very positive way. The productive sweeper cares enough to ensure that the living environment is clean for people in the locality. He has a wider view of his work and doesn't just see himself as sweeping kachra. He takes pride in his work of creating a clean and hygienic environment for the people who live there. Now the productive sweeper, the productive people, you know what they do? They take a great interest in their own work, and after doing the work, they feel pride. They feel proud of their own efforts done. Yes, today I have done something great. They are happy at the end of the day. Whereas on the other end, the non-productive sweeper or the non-productive people, what they think: my duty time is over, I am off for the day. Let the other sweeper worry about the remaining kachra. मेरा तो टाइम पूरा हो गया ऑफिस का, अब मेरा को काम नहीं करना है, अब मैं जाके कल काम करूंगा, या कोई और आके जो दूसरा शिफ्ट का बंदा है वो आके काम करेगा, मेरा काम हो गया आज का. They are only concerned about their timing. They are only concerned about their own work कि मेरा काम होना चाहिए और उस टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर ही होना चाहिए, या उस टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर वो काम होता है नहीं होता है. They are not bothered. They are very much in the comfort zone. The non-productive people are always in the comfort zone. They don't come out of that comfort zone. The non-productive sweeper sees his work in a narrow way and does it only for his dal roti. बस मेरा काम चलना चाहिए, मेरा पेट भरना चाहिए, मेरे को 2 वक्त का खाना मिलना चाहिए. He has no pride or interest in his job. उनको अपने काम के ऊपर गर्व नहीं है. They don't feel proud of what they are doing because they are not interested at all in doing their own job, and they work like a robot. And they work like a robot. Robot हो गया, जैसा बटन दबा और रोबोट काम करता है ना, उसी तरह से बटन दबता है, वो उतना ही काम करता है, एक्स्ट्रा काम कुछ नहीं करता है वो इंसान. Thus he becomes careless and chalta hai in his work. The biggest problem of the non-productive people are chalta hai mentality. in all over the places, all over the organizations, this is the common problem. चलता है ना, चलता है ना, थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है, सब थोड़ा बहुत तो सब कुछ चलता है. तो जब थोड़ा बहुत चलता है, what does mean? That means what you are doing, you are avoiding your productivity. आप अपना खुद का प्रोडक्टिविटी को कम कर रहे हैं. यू आर डिक्रीजिंग योर प्रोडक्टिविटी बाय चलता है मेंटेलिटी. तो वो चलता है मेंटेलिटी नहीं चलेगा. वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस नेगेटिव थॉट ऑफ चलता है. क्योंकि चलता है, हम चलाते हैं, क्योंकि दूसरे लोग भी चलाते हैं, हम भी चलाते हैं और दूसरे लोग भी चलाते हैं. तो उसके लिए चलता है मेंटेलिटी इज ग्रोइंग नाउअडेज. एंड दोस चलता है मेंटेलिटी, व्हाट इट डज एट एंड ऑफ द डे, it reduces our productivity. So do we feel pride? Do we feel interested? Right? So we don't feel pride. So are we happy when we go home at the evening? पूरा दिन हम काम करते हैं ऑफिस के अंदर, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर. when we work for a whole day or 8 hours duty when we do, and we go home, are we satisfied ki yes, today I have done something great? Are we satisfied with our own work? Are we satisfied with our own job, what we have done today? Many times what happens, we take the stress and go home because we have not completed the task. आज कुछ काम रह गया, एक काम रह गया, दो काम रह गया, तो वो सर के ऊपर जो टेंशन रहता है अपना कि नहीं मेरे को भी ये कल काम खत्म करना है, मेरा आज का काम खत्म नहीं हुआ. सो वी डोंट फील प्राइड इन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ और व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टुडे, व्हाट वी हैव डन टुडे. So we don't feel pride, we don't feel proud of ourselves because we are not very much interested or focused or concentrated in what we are doing, because we are non-productive people. Non-productive people will always decrease their productivity. वो चलता है मेंटेलिटी, चलता रहेगा, चलता है मेंटेलिटी, चलता है ना, चलो कुछ काम रह गया ना, चलता है ना, ये तो होता है, गलतियां होती रहती है, मिस्टेक्स होती रहती है, काम तो छूटता रहता है. आज प्रमोशन नहीं मिला तो कोई बात नहीं, कल मिल जाएगा, ये काम ऐसा, ये काम वैसा, सब चलता है, सब चलता है, एवरीथिंग चलता है. ये काम आज नहीं कल करेंगे ना, चलता है ना. तो मेनी टाइम्स दिस चलता है मेंटेलिटी रिड्यूसेस आवर प्रोडक्टिविटी. द प्रोडक्टिव टीम मेंबर, now what this productive team member does, the productive team member always puts the team's success before personal success. Such team members are committed to the larger purpose and don't let personal egos come in the way. The productive team members, we all are working in the team, everybody is working in the team, in the organization, so we are a team member too. So we should not put our personal success or personal egos in the teamwork when we are working in the team. So it is a teamwork, that is we have done it, we have succeeded it, the team has done it, because without a team a person cannot succeed in his life. So each team members should be committed to the larger purpose. You should know your purpose. What is your purpose of doing the things? If you are doing something, you are working on something, or you are doing some task, why are you doing? The why factor. The why factor we should know in our mind. Keep in mind why I am doing this. For what purpose I am doing this? What is the reason behind this, what I am doing? So once it is clear in your mind, the vision is clear, the statements are clear, when everything is clear in your mind, so what you do when the purpose is clear, reasons is clear, vision is clear, so your productivity increases, your interest also increases, and you are very much committed to what you are doing. At the same time, the non-productive team members, what they do, the non-productive team members pursues personal goals, even if it is at the cost of team goals. Such people may be talented as individual stars, but are unable to contribute in a team environment. Right? Now, an individual, suppose a single member in a team, he starts thinking that I know everything, I am very much talented, I am very much knowledgeable, I know many things, I am better doing the things than my other team members. So what he is doing? So he is going towards a non-productive team member activities. So he is pursuing his personal goals, right? He is not achieving the team goals. He only thinks about himself. Yes, I am doing it. I am doing it. Because of me, the team is getting successful. And I am working on a larger task. Other people are doing less work. I am doing more work. So such non-productive team members, they don't contribute well in the team. and the team performance reduces. Now, similarly, in the same way as shown in the examples 1 to 4 above, now we have explained the 4 examples, right? एक टीचर का भी था, एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स का भी था, और अपना एक उसका था, एक स्वीपर का था, और एक अपना टीम मेंबर्स का था, बराबर? तो 4 हमने एग्जांपल्स अभी हमने यहाँ पे दिखाए. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, नाउ देयर इज अ वन सिनेरियो क्रिएटेड, right? And you have to imagine what this productive senior manager and the non-productive senior manager thinks and behave. So this is a question for you, right? How the following productivity and the non-productivity behave. Now you have to imagine. So at the end of the session, we have to discuss on this question, right? On this scenario. So please make a note of it, right? The productive senior manager, how he behaves, the non-productive senior manager, how he behaves. Both of them, productive and non-productive senior manager, what will be their behaviors? Just imagine the scenario, right? One example I will give you. On the base of that example, you can think more on that. You can imagine more on that. The productive senior manager thinks, let's sit and see how to improve the presentation. The non-productive senior manager thinks, there are too many tasks, too many mistakes in the presentation. Make sure you correct them and send it to me by tonight. So these are the examples which I am showing you on the screen. Now you have to imagine the scenario. You have to think how the productive and non-productive senior managers will behave, right? So at the end of the seminar, the productivity checklist. Now, how to imagine? When you imagine, so what you have to imagine in that scenario? Productive constantly strive to combine both effectiveness plus human value in any situations. The productivity means it is the combination of effectiveness and human values. Effectiveness means what you are doing are giving the better results. You are getting best results out of it. The effectiveness of your efforts. Plus it is creating a human value. Creating a human value means जो काम आप कर रहे हो वो खाली खुद के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो, आप दूसरों के लिए भी कर रहे हो, right? What you are doing, you are not doing only for yourself, you are doing for your team members, you are doing for your organization, you are doing for your family members, you are doing for the benefit of your society also. यानी कि जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो दूसरे के बेनिफिट के लिए भी कर रहे हैं. अपने को तो बेनिफिट मिल रहा है, we are getting the benefit out of our own work, and others are also being benefited with our work. That is human values we are creating. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देता हूं, बहुत बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल है. हमारी मम्मी, अपनी मदर, हमारे घर में मम्मी क्या करती है? मदर्स, व्हाट मदर्स डू? खाना बनाते हैं ना, एक एग्जाम्पल उनका. जब वो खाना बनाते हैं तो वो जो खाना सिर्फ खुद के लिए बनाते हैं कि पूरे फैमिली के लिए बनाते हैं? सोचने वाली बात है. बहुत प्रोडक्टिव चीज है ये, राइट? सो जो अपनी मम्मी है, जो अपनी मदर है, वो जो है वो खाना सबके लिए बनाती है, वो सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं बनाती है, पूरे परिवार के लिए बनाती है. नाउ व्हाट दिस स्टेटमेंट सेज, इट हैज गॉट इफेक्टिवनेस प्लस ह्यूमन वैल्यूज. यानी कि खाना भी अच्छा बनता है, स्वादिष्ट खाना बनता है. मम्मी का हाथ का बनाया हुआ खाना कितना स्वादिष्ट होता है, कितना टेस्टी होता है. दैट इज इफेक्टिवनेस, एंड it is in the benefit of entire family. So that shows the human value. So mother is the best example of the effectiveness plus human values productivity, right? So now you have to think the effectiveness and the human values in each and every situation. So effectiveness in every situation means accomplishes the goals. Effectiveness in every situation does the work well in a spirit of excellence. जैसा मदर का एग्जांपल दिया हमने, मदर जब खाना बनाती है अपने घर के अंदर, राइट, शी अकम्प्लिशेस द गोल्स. खाना बन जाता है, पूरा अच्छी तरह से बन जाता है, दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी सब बन जाता है. एंड डज द वर्क वेल विद द स्पिरिट ऑफ एक्सीलेंसी. यानी कि वो माँ जो है, जो मदर है, वो दिल से खाना बनाती है. कुकिंग जो होती है उसका दिल से होती है. वो सिर्फ खाना बनाने के लिए खाना नहीं बनाती है, वो दिल से खाना बनाती है, प्रेम से खाना बनाती है, इंटरेस्ट के साथ खाना बनाती है. जब हम खाते हैं तो उसको मजा भी आता है हमको. So it is as a human value. So human values in every situation acts with integrity. and in the best interest of those involved. यानी कि मदर जो खाना बनाती है, she cooks the food with integrity and with best interest of those involved, यानी कि complete family members involved है उसके अंदर. Then demonstrates human concern. She shows the concern about other family members also, right? So this is the productivity checklist. So when you imagine the scenario, which I have in the earlier slide, I have shown you the productive senior manager and the non-productive senior manager, how they behave, right? So this you have to imagine and answer me, keeping effectiveness and human values in mind. Okay. Then coming to the real life situations, now workplace applications, very, very interesting things now we are going to share. So be very much attentive and please concentrate on this applications. This is real life applications. So there are two employees, Ram and Sham. Ram and Sham are two team leaders who have successfully completed a project. They have done it. Both employees are very good employees. They work very hard. Working very hard, and they accomplish all the goals. They accomplish all the projects. Then what is the difference between Ram and Sham? So there is a difference between Ram and Sham. In spite of both completing their project successfully, there is a difference. So Ram and Sham are project leaders with the responsibility of completing two important assignments. After the successful completion of the projects, the following is how they think. Now, when there are two persons, so their thought process will be different. No two persons' thought process will be same. They must be thinking in a different fashion, in a different manner, because their background is different, their knowledge is different, their thinking is different, their upbringing is different, their environment is different, their friend circles are different, their educations are different, their level of thinking is different. So when the persons, everything is different, so everything what they do will be different and what they think will be different. Now what Sham thinks and what Ram thinks after completing the project. So Ram as a non-productive thinker thinks, I have done a great job. Listen very carefully. I have done a great job here. I must ensure I get noticed by the management. It is a chance for a promotion. Now Ram as a non-productive thinker, he speaks in the I affirmations. I have done it. I am ensuring it. I get noticed. I get promotion. But what? Ram is a team leader who has completed the project. A project has been completed by the Ram's team members. So what Ram's team member think? What about all that we did? अरे हमारे भी तो एफर्ट्स है, हमने भी तो काम किया है इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, और इस प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए हमारी भी तो मेहनत लगी हुई है. वी हैव वर्कड वेरी हार्ड. इट इज अवर एफर्ट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ अवर एफर्ट्स. सबका मिला जुला एफर्ट्स, टीम का एफर्ट जो है मिला जुला, उसने ही इस प्रोजेक्ट को सक्सेसफुल बनाया. But what Ram is doing, Ram is ignoring his team members and he is taking all the credit on his head. वो सब अपने ऊपर ही ले रहा है कि सक्सेस जो है ना, पूरा सक्सेस वो अपने ऊपर ले रहा है कि मैं I have done it, I have done it, I have done it, I ensure, I get noticed, I get the promotion, I. But what about the team? What about the teams have done? What about the team's effort? What they don't deserve any appreciation? So Ram is ignoring all. And on the other side, what Sham thinks, Sham as a productive thinker thinks that we have done it. Sham and Sham's team member thinks we have done a great job. Now they are talking in the we affirmations. We have done a great job. Each person's contribution was important. Now Sham says that my each and every team member has contributed very well and their contribution is valuable. It is very much important for the team's success. Now without that, we wouldn't have achieved success. Without team members, we wouldn't have achieved success. This is what Sham is thinking about. In the next presentation to the management, I must mention how valuable each one's contribution was. Now, when I meet my seniors and I present this presentation or this project to my seniors, I will mention that this project is been completed not alone by me, but it has been completed along with my team members. It is not alone my efforts, it is my team's efforts too. So everybody deserves appreciation in our team, because every team member's contribution is very, very important. Even if a small team member has contributed with small efforts, a small thing also he has contributed is counted. It is valuable. Without that small effort, सक्सेस विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल. जैसे हम खाना बनाते हैं, बहुत स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाते हैं, उसके अंदर मसाला डालते हैं, सब कुछ डालते हैं, गरम मसाला डालते हैं. व्हाट इफ वी फॉरगेट टू पुट अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट इन इट? सॉल्ट कितना लगता है खाना बनाने में? जस्ट पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट मेक्स द फूड टेस्टी. सो सिमिलरली इन द टीम ऑल्सो, the smallest of effort is valuable. Very, very important. So Sham, as a productive thinker, thinks that everybody's contribution is very, very valuable and important for our team success. So we have done it. Now the question, when you are part of any team, to be able to perform well and be highly productive, why is it important to focus on we, not I? Now answer at the end of the webinar. Please note down the questions, right? First scenario, a productive senior manager and the non-productive senior manager imagination, you have to imagine and discuss. And now the second question is, when you are part of any team, to be able to perform well and be highly productive, why is it important to focus on we and not I, right? So please note down this, or you can take a screenshot of this screen and answer this question at the end of the webinar. We will discuss at the end everything. Please note it down. Meanwhile, I will have just little water. Right? So we move ahead. Now workplace application 2. Second scenario. An urgent report is needed just when leaving office to go home. This is the best scenario, very common scenario in each and every organization. Suppose your office timings are from morning 9:30 to 5:30 and you are ready to go home at 5:30. When you are ready to go home at 5:30, your boss calls you. Your boss calls you and asks you to sit back and do some important work. How would you feel? It is a scenario, right? So now this scenario we will discuss. So Anil and Vijay work for a software company. Their office timing is 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Late one day, their headquarters ask for an urgent report. Their teammate Ramesh comes to tell them about it. Office colleague Ramesh to Anil and Vijay. Ramesh आता है और अनिल और विजय को मैसेज देता है. Now message is, this report is needed urgently for a sudden strategy meeting that has been called in the headquarters. अब ऐसा सिनेरियो क्रिएट हो गया, घर जाने के टाइम पे शाम को 5:30 बजे हेडक्वार्टर से मैसेज आता है रमेश के पास, और रमेश जो है वो अपने कलीग्स को अनिल और विजय को जाके मैसेज देता है कि अनिल एंड विजय आप दोनों को बैठना है ऑफिस के अंदर और ये अपना जो काम आया है उसको पूरा करना है. सो नाउ व्हाट अनिल एंड विजय विल डू? व्हाट विल दे थिंक? Two different employees, two different thought process again. So what Anil thinks, now Anil's reply to the Ramesh is, it is already 5:30. Why do they come up with work so late in the day? I am going home. So what he's showing, I care only about my convenience, no thought for the company's goals, purpose or values of the